I discovered that GIS brings together both the art and the science of working with geospatial data. GIS and geospatial technology is essentially the field of computer-based mapping.
I had moved to Los Angeles several years ago and was working in a couple different fields, not really finding my footing. Happened to open up a catalog of courses and saw this GIS class. It was over the course of about a year of several classes that we broached everything from introduction class to programming to cartography to more advanced parts of the GIS software where we were looking at statistical analysis.
Nothing has the power quite like a map to communicate or miscommunicate. One thing that I'm very interested in with this program is making sure that our students know the difference and know how to creatively interpret as well as then craft geographic data visualizations that are truly beautiful but also effective.